Happy Saturday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you or you just want to learn more about the properties on the market, I'm your guy. Give me a call at 727-303-1521 or send me a DM on social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Today I want to talk about two of the homes that just hit the market this morning. The first off, listed with Century 21 Coastal Alliance, Laura Daig has a 5-bed, 3-bath, 2,348 square foot property listed for $2,150,000. There's 95 feet of coastal waterfront. It's got full bay access to the Gulf of Mexico and an in-ground pool. This is a beautiful home that you should take a look at. And if you're of interest, I'd like to set a meeting with you and Laura so we can visit the property. Next, Signature Realty Associates has a 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath listing, 3,638 square foot. Yakima McGee Kleins is the one listing the property, and it's a new construction. It's going to be built here in Treasure Island. It's $2,950,000. And some of the benefits of this house: water views. Obviously, it's new construction. You'll be the first ones in the door, actually, if you own it. So it has its own cabana. It's a 5-minute walk to the Roselli Dog Park, and there's a tennis court, baseball field, the works there, as well as private access, its own private dock and water access to the Gulf of Mexico. So if these homes or any homes here in Pinellas County on the Gulf Coast are of interest to you, please don't hesitate to give me a call or send me a message on social media. Once again, Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and give me a call at 727-303-1521 or social media, send me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.